Snakes, nature's amazing hunters. In the depths of the forest, a sleek snake slithers silently through the undergrowth. But did you know that snakes are more than just scary creatures? Let's explore some fascinating science facts about snakes. Snakes have an excellent sense of smell, using their forked tongues to pick up scent particles. They move gracefully with their flexible bodies, made up of many vertebrae. Some snakes use venom to immobilize their prey, while others rely on constriction. Snakes can be found on every continent except Antarctica. There are over 3,000 species of snakes, ranging in size from the tiny thread snake to the massive anaconda. Snakes can go weeks or even months without eating, depending on their size and metabolic rate. Snakes shed their skin periodically as they grow, allowing them to continue growing throughout their lives. Remember, while most snakes are harmless, some can be poisonous. Always be careful and obey your parents when exploring nature.